Before we begin, please all stand and bow our head and pray together. Amen. Good morning, class. Again, good morning. But before you take your seat, kindly arrange your chair properly. Thank you. And you may now be seated. May I know, class, is there any absences today? Very good. Teacher Jarek is happy to know that everyone is present today. Before we start to our new lesson, let's review what we all learned last time. What do we call flat shape? Very good. Can you name some 2D shapes? Very good. What makes 2D shapes flat? Very good. Teacher Jarek is happy to know that you really understand our last lesson. Okay, class, please be reminded of our classroom rules. Number 1, listen when the teachers and your classmates are talking. Number 2, raise your hand if you want to answer. Number 3, follow the direction carefully. And number 4, respect yourself and other people and be honest. I hope that is clear. Class, let us all stand up. Let us do some stretching. Let us watch, listen to the video, and join me in our dance at the same time. Let's start!
Roll around, circle. Circle. Roll round and round and round. Circle. Roll round and round.
Stone, square. Square, stop, here and there. Square, stop, here and there.
Slide, triangle. Triangle. Slide, left and right. Triangle. Slide, left and right.
Point, diamond. Diamond. Point your finger, 1, 2, 3, 4. Diamond. Point 1, 2, 3, 4.
Shake, star. Twinkle, little star. Shake your hands. Twinkle, little star. Shake your hands. Chew, heart. Ha, heart. Chew, give a kiss. Ha, heart. Chew, I love you.
Did you enjoy our dance class? Okay, please be seated. Class, I have different object here. I want you to go in front, look at this object, and touch them carefully. Now tell me, what you notice about the object? Very good. Any other answer? Very good. All of your answers are correct. I have now some questions. Based on the activity that we do, why can you touch and hold those objects? Very good. What make these shapes differ from the shapes drawn on paper? Very good. Can you roll a ball? Why? Very good. Now, can you stack in the box? Why? Very good. Today, we will learn about 3D shapes and which have length, width, and length. 3D shapes are the shapes that we can touch, hold, and see from different sides. They are not flat. And the examples of 3D shapes are cube. It is look like a box. The next one is sphere. It is look like a ball. The last one is cylinder. It is look like a can. Again, which is look like a ball? Very good. Which look like a box? Very good. And which is look like a can? Very good. Is that clear, class? Class, we will now do our group activity called Match It, Find It, and Make It. I will divide you into 3 groups. Listen carefully so you know exactly what to do. Are you ready? The step 1, when you pick a card, I want you to say what shape it look like. Step 2, you will place the picture's card under the correct label on the table. We have 3 labels: the cylinder, the cube, and the sphere. Step 3, after matching the card, I will give each group some clay. You will make some 3D shapes that matches ones of your picture card. And step 4, when you finish your group, we'll show your 3D shape to the class and say, this is our shape. It is a sphere, cube, or cylinder, and our object was a ball, a can, or a box. And for our rubrics, the criteria: identifying and matching 3D shapes, 10 points; making the 3D shapes, 15 points; group cooperation, 5 points, for the total of 30 points. Always work together, share the materials, and help each other. I will be checking how will you cooperate to your group. You may now begin. Very good, Group 1 and Group 2. All of your works are correct. Group 1 got 25 points and Group 2 got 30 points. Please clap your hands. Let us now summarize what we have learned today. Again, what is a 3D shape? Very good. Give an example of 3D shape. Very good. Any other hand? Very good. I'm happy that you really understand our topic for today. Okay, let's see if you really understand our lesson. Using clay, paper, or blocks, each of you will create 3D shape, either it's cube, sphere, or cylinder. Skills to observe: the students can squeeze, roll, fold, or mold the materials properly. The students form a shape that is close to cube, sphere, or cylinder. The student shows ability to shape the materials without teacher doing it for them. The students present the finished shape with confidence. And for our ratings, 5 check is equivalent to excellent. 4 check is equivalent to very good. 3 check is equivalent to satisfactory. And 1 or 2 check are needs for improvement. And for your assignment, draw 3 3D objects you can see at home. Example, ball, can, or box. Write the name of the object under your drawing. That's all for today. Goodbye and thank you, class.